Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi K30s, and first we have to get application to transfer data. So let's open Play Store, tap on search pool and type repost for Instagram. Oh, sorry. We have to get send anywhere application. I just mess up. Okay, that's a correct application, so let's install. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Right now we can open. Here we have to accept all the permissions that pops on the screen. And as you can see right now, we can send photos, video, audio, apps, contacts when you got the permission, and other files. Let's open this application also on the second smartphone. It's very important to move to receive on our K30s. And it's only example, so I'll focus on the photos and I can take this 4 photos. And we have to click send. If we selected everything, then we have to input this key right here in this pool, so click, then input 461532, click receive. And as you can see, the transfer is complete, so right now we can open gallery and check if it is working. And as you can see, here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!